Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using a Too Faced palette, the I Want Candy palette, to do this look. I hope you enjoy it and stay tuned for my mini eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to start off by applying Urban Decay Primer Potion to both of my lids. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the Too Faced I Want Candy palette. And we're going to use Cream Puff all over my lid to set the primer potion. Once I've done that, we're going to jump into Sweet Toffee. You can use this with your fingers or with a wet brush. You can use MAC Fix Plus to wet your brush and dip it in. It will make it go on more opaquely. Once we've done that, I'm going to jump into Hot Chocolate, which is a warm brown shade, and we're going to put that on my outer corner. I'm going to use my finger on this one because it is very patchy, and I'm going to see if I can get it to blend a little better with my finger than with a brush. Then we're going to jump into Whipped Cream and place that on the inner corner and bring that down to my tear duct area on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Sweet Toffee on a liner brush and place that along my lower lash line about 1/3 in and go about halfway across my lower lid. And then I'm going to jump into Hot Chocolate with the same brush and place that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to jump over to the other eye and I'll complete that now. Use the Ulta gel eyeliner in Blackout on my waterline and as close to the base of my lashes as possible. Then I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And then backtrack just a tad and place some whipped cream eyeshadow just under my brow, the arch of my brow, to bring a highlight to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in a metallic shade of Milan. And I'm going to go ahead and use that for a bold lip. But I also have a more neutral option at the end of the video with the NYX Butter Gloss, and I believe this is in Creme Brulee. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.